Hello viewers, in this video we are comparing Vivo T4 Pro versus Vivo V60E. So let's start the video and see the details about the smartphone.
Software, operating system, updates, body, weight, height, width, thickness, build quality, back material, frame, waterproof, display size, display brightness, display type, display resolution, refresh rate, PPI density, color and HDR, screen to body ratio, display protection, platform, RAM, ROM, CPU, GPU, chipset, bench score, battery capacity, charging speed, camera, selfie camera, selfie camera video, first smartphone main camera, second smartphone main camera, main camera video, sound, loudspeaker, .5mm jack, sensor, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, USB, fingerprint, network, price, smartphone's price, final result, winner. Thank you so much for watching this video.